Hey folks, it is Thursday. That means the new drought monitor came out today explaining the drought situation in the valley and still shows a large area right along the Cameron and Willacy County line, and then southeast Hidalgo County is being abnormally dry. That's way over here, the kind of the least of the drought statuses. And then you go in a little closer, you can see basically the southeastern half of Cameron County is now in moderate drought. A couple weeks ago, they were in severe drought, but the rain of a couple of weeks ago made a difference. The rain of this past weekend mainly stayed right down the coast and then out in Starr County. So that's why they're fine. No issues with drought there. We're up in the ranchlands of northern Hidalgo County. Now, Doppler network obviously very quiet tonight, and FutureTrack suggests this is a high resolution model. It's going to stay quiet all night long and pretty much all day tomorrow as well, partly to mostly sunny skies. We go forward into Saturday, same kind of thing. Patchy clouds around, but that's about it. Should be a rain-free day once again. As patchy clouds begin to show up, for the most part, we are dry. You see mainly dry tomorrow, about a 5% probability of an isolated shower trying to form on the sea breeze near the coast. And I think once you get past Highway 77 or I-69E, anything west of that, the chance of rain is pretty much nil. And we're there Sunday and then again Tuesday and Wednesday. As a little more moisture begins to show up, spotty showers are possible, but even then, only about a 10% probability. Temperature-wise tonight, we've cooled into the 70s in Harlingen. Everybody else still in the 80s across the valley. And tomorrow we're going to warm back up again, 102 in the west, 89 in the east. The rest of the valley in the 90s. In the next few days, things are not going to change a lot. We go 96, 97, 95, 97, 98. We're all within 4 degrees of normal, all on the high side of normal. I don't think we see a below normal day coming anytime soon whatsoever. Rest of Texas, temperatures are in the 70s when you get back to Abilene, 78 also in Dallas, 80 in Austin right now, same thing in San Antonio. Some showers and thunderstorms firing up in the Texas Panhandle tonight. You see this little line right here, upper disturbance sitting right there. That's going to be diving southeastward, but it is a very, very weak upper level disturbance. And what that means is we're not going to get anything out of it. But the only chance we have is maybe Sunday when it's close by. Could help to kind of bring the sea breeze back to life, and that's why we had that slight chance in there on Sunday. But after that, the ridge builds in. That's the high. It builds into the region, and it just takes control. And aside from sunshine and heat, we don't have a big chance of rain. We don't have any cool down anytime soon. The heat is on into the middle of the latter part of next week. Tropics, very quiet on this first week, second week of hurricane season. Nothing going on the Atlantic side or the Pacific side at all. So 72 tonight, mainly clear, not as muggy as you might expect, but tomorrow humidity comes back. We're back up to 96, southeasterly to easterly winds about 5 to 15. Here we go, 96, 97, then 95, and then we warm up. 97s and 98s for next week. Nighttime lows warm up, and that's a sign humidity is coming back in. By middle of next week, we're back in the mid 70s, even upper 70s for highs across much of the valley. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.